A decade and a half ago, there stood a hillock, distant from the chaos of busy cities, serene and natural for ages. One day the hill was thought good for more than a rural farm. New houses emerged one by one, heralding a move to modernity. Architects of the new phase marked arrival of a new era and promised to work for more. Great men praised the initiation. The green hill of the old times greeted giant buildings and new plantations. No doubt the place now prides in its new attire and face, while this road and this building welcome minds manifold that crave for wisdom and growth, and climb the well-paved paths, eager and intent to go higher, ecstatic at the success and on their share of the changes ahead, while great men endorse their growth in awe, amazement, and the spirit of belonging, with a smile of satisfaction and sense of guardianship which lightens up these jealous faces. The hill now has a different life, of variegated faces and emotions, written in every new creation and in the remains of old times.